Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Drome on YouTube. In my last video I've actually showed you how to create a mobile frame, that means empty frame. So in this video I'm going to show you how to place the videos on the empty frame. For this I'm using Kine Master. Let's go to Kine Master, click on the new project, go to media and click on the background, select the appropriate background and again go to layer and select media, and now I want to select the video which I want to place on the empty frame. Now I'll go to layer again, media, and I'll select the empty mobile frame which I created in the last session. So now I'll place my video into this empty frame. Let me bring it to the center so that it is visible. Okay, that's it. I'll drag the panel for entire video so that it will appear in entire video. That's it, we are done. Now you are able to see the video is getting played on the empty mobile frame which we have created in the last session. Okay, so this is how you need to place your videos on the empty mobile frame. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.